Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. I'm going to give an update on this. The transport company guy called Daddy yesterday and wanted to know how I was going to get it loaded. It's not our combine to load, number one. Number two, he didn't want to haul it and is going to tell, because he's seen pictures, he's going to tell the insurance, salvage yard, whoever owns it, that they need to just sell it out. So we'll talk to you here in a bit. Well, yesterday afternoon just ended up being a cluster pluck in general. I broke a fan belt on the tandem truck at the elevator. I'm going now from the parts store and getting one and picking up a friend. We're gonna go change it out, get it home. Another thing that happened while I was gone, the truck driver forgot to shut the hopper bottoms doors, and so Dad unloaded on the front and it come running out. Instead of getting off the combine and checking the back, see if it was open or closed, he unloaded on it, and bunch of beans run out on the ground. And the third thing is, sorry, my nose is itching. A couple videos ago we worked on some, not the divider arms itself, but the piece that the dividers ride on. I don't know what the correct term. Me and Craig modified one, took two and modified one. We wasn't real sure about it, but it's broke on the inside. It had already been welded by somebody else, so we think we've got some located close, and that's something Dad's working on right now, is getting them off and maybe getting them back on site. If we go to the field today to combine, who knows? And if we do, it probably won't be long. So we'll just have to see how the day unfolds. Well, after spending most of the day working on the truck, scooping up beans, and working on the header, we're finally going. Well, we used a loader, a scoop and broom. Got most of the soybeans up. Got a lot of trash, so we put them in the red truck there. Couldn't get the loader to reach high enough over the hopper bottom. That's what I like to see, dust fly. Maybe he can get most of this knocked out this afternoon and get moved to another field and have some boring videos the rest of the week. If they're boring videos, that means nothing bad is happening. This will be me showing videos of the combine, running the combine. Yeah, that'd be cool. Well, this is going to be a short video. Before I close it out though, I want to get something off my chest. I may lose some subscribers, but it appears this is the day after the election, the presidential election. It appears that Joe Biden is the new president. But I'm gonna say, and then I'm not trying to sound like a sore loser, but it was stolen with a mail-in ballot. Early voting, you know, if you can't show up at the polls, don't vote. And that might strike some people wrong, but unless you're disabled or something like that, you need to be at the polls. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. God bless you. My subscribers have really picked up. Like I said, may have some delete me. I really don't care. I try to be honest with everybody. And so thanks to my new subscribers. Leave a comment. And we'll talk to you later.